Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you're well. I thank you for all your comments, likes, and shares, and for all the messages. I know I'm responding to all of them, right? Yeah, if you need any of my services, well, send me a message, a WhatsApp message. Yes, we do mentorship, my books, we frame all the poems, and yes, actually, my book will be released soon. Divine Soul Whispers, a collection of poems to encourage you and inspire you, and they were inspired by love and life, just the normal day-to-day things, you know. And today I wanted to talk about, let's see, finding the good in all things, finding that silver lining, that beauty in all things. We are in a place where ignorance is considered bliss. We're in a place where we can't see the whole big picture. It's by design. Maybe we are not ready to see the whole big picture. Maybe we can't comprehend the whole big picture. Imagine having 8 billion humans with all their uniqueness, and we are all somehow working together. So the picture is so big for us to comprehend, but we get a glimpse of little things in our own lives and the prompting of our heart, whether to go left or to go right, you know. So as you follow your heart, find beauty in all things. Try to find the silver lining in even things you don't understand. Believe that they are designed for a greater good, the greater good of all that are here on planet Earth and other universes, because it's not only our planet that is around, they are others. So being able to believe that there is goodness that is happening, even when we see things that don't appear good to us, we have to believe it's for the greater good. So the poem I have for you today from my book, Divine Soul Whispers, is beauty. You know, beauty, digging deep to retrieve the treasures, surrounded by rubble, disguised as nothingness, purified by fire to reveal the glamour. Find beauty in all things, find the blessing in all experiences. So we have to be intentional to find the beauty in all things. Because if you want to go the negative route, you're free to do that. But as we find beauty in all things, we start to realize that we are co-creators. The things you focus on, where you take your energy, where you put your focus, those are things that replicate. Those are things you're creating. So let's put our eyes on things that are good, lovely, and of good report. Let us find the silver lining and the beauty, and let us be able to create more of that in our lives, in the lives of those around us. Well, this is Mother Ego. I hope this blesses you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.